been a single guy.
Yeah.
Works for me.
Yeah. No, it's perfect. That's good for you. Come on, guys. Oh, Mikey. Jesus Christ. It's not.
In out of position.
Yeah.
Well, you're
Not
in
ready.
deep yet.
I think the 75% of the pucks will hit you. You
Yeah.
have to worry about the other 25.
Yeah.
But if you're on the right spot, it's the other way around.
Yeah, and when he sees that there's going to be a shooter from out there, he's going to come out.
He's the only people. I mean, there's nobody else around. It's not like somebody's standing behind him and the crease waiting for something. But he still wasn't in the middle of the net.
Well, shake it off.
Oh, it's just one of those things.
Come on, guys, get it out of there.
I mean, they just.
One of the big things about a goalie's got to learn is how to shake things off.
It's just the way the game is. It's just happens.
Come on, guys. That's the new kid, okay?
Is that the repeat?
Come on. Oh. Come on. Oh.
Keep it in.
Lots of pressure. Oh, I cannot deflect it off him.
But it's just easy deflected the other way.
Yeah.
It's just, set him up
Shin
and
is
play.
going left.
Yeah.
Pick the trailer.
Come on,
Pick
Davis.
the trailer.
Put her on cruise instead of keeping going.
And Thompson has something with his shoulder. It's not broken, but
And
he's gonna be
Thompson
out for
is
a
a
weekend.
forward?
Yeah, he's number 65.
Yeah. So,
Located, you think?
No, it's not, but they're worried about his growth plate or something like that, the alignment, so he'll be out for probably a week or two.
He said he's in a sling right now.
Yeah, he's in his sling.
well, so that's why he'll be back for playoffs then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
So, is this game important because this could mean first place?
Absolutely, yeah. Well, so right now, they're 1 point ahead of us. If they beat
If
the
they
Wolves,
beat-
if they beat the Wolves 3 games, which
Yes,
they
yes,
will,
which they
they
will.
will, hands down, right? So,
So they're
right
5
now,
points behind you right now.
yeah, but they've got 3 games against
3
the
games
Wolves,
right?
right?
So you need to win
So
this
if
to
we
be
win
7.
this, yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Come on.
Come on, you got it. That's it.
Nice.
Oh, nice try.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's good little hustle. Good work.
Went through like 2.5 jugs of washer fluid. Couldn't make the windshield.
Oh, I know it's brutal, eh?
But the roads are great.
Yeah, that's good. We're moving today. Dump it back in, Davis. That's it. That'll be right. Oh. Come on, Davis, get back.
Make sure.
The key is to stay out of the box. So
But you don't have the bodies to go with penalties.
no. Especially when 2 defense are in the box at the same time.
If it's your top
That's
two,
it. Good forecheck. Yeah.
your top 2 in depth.
Yeah. That's what happened yesterday.
Oh, yesterday morning or yesterday?
No, yesterday night. Yesterday, we had to fight. Oh no! Come on, guys! Don't let him shoot. Attaboy, Mikey.
So yesterday, we're tied 2-2.
Friggin' head up next year. When you look at these, just
That's why
Oh
there's so
yeah.
many
We
big
all went back to my
guys.
house in between games.
Boy,
And,
they're gonna start
they,
hitting next year. They're gonna,
Chicken and pasta,
Their
right?
head on a swivel.
yeah.
They had like another coach and he's awesome.
Yeah.
There's no adjustments.
Oh! Are you kidding me? I hope they call that.
He doesn't have his arm up yet, but he can talk to him around. So that was what, 10:51 first? In case
Yeah.
you want to go back and look.
No, exactly. Yeah.
This might be his heart. Hey?
Not just kids.
Yeah.
No.
I still
You know,
play
growing
men's
up
hockey,
too,
and
yeah,
I
I
still
know.
think that same way.
Yeah, I know. I've been through
The
it.
only
all
difference
too.
is now that
doesn't-
we all
doesn't
gotta
matter.
go to work the next day.
That's the whole problem.
So we got that.
We
Is that Buddy's what? Ex-wife?
I don't know, but
You know Tim?
no, I don't know. It's the first time I've ever seen her.
Because
Stop
they
it.
moved back to town.
Oh, yeah.
And then I think they split up. Because remember this,
Not Tim.
Tim Bean.
Oh, Tim Bean. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know Tim.
Remember you played drafted by the Leafs, played for...
Played for the
John's.
Trappers? Or, do you play for the Trappers here, too?
yeah. Oh, no, he played with...
that's awesome.
He played on Pine Hill.
Pine Hill Coffee Shop. Yeah, that's right. Jesus, what a chance that was.
But they moved back to town a couple of years
Come on, Jesse, shoot it. Come on, guys.
His son played with... the year I left the Skyhawks, he played for the Skyhawks.
Oh, okay. Tim Bean, yeah, that's right. I haven't seen him for a long time.
But I don't know if that's his...
Yeah, I'm not sure. Come on, guys. Come on, Davis. That's it. Oh, you got it. Oh, they got a tripping.
When you think you're coming out, oh, you don't have the puck.
You don't have that much time.
No, you
Let's go.
gotta make up your mind.
Kept it.
That's it, Davis. You'll be looking at. Oh! Jesus Christ! Oh, come on, guys. Oh. Yeah. Come on, Davis.
Get out of the
Come on, guys. Work hard, work hard. Oh, guys. That's it, Davis. Nice set up, guys. Come on, grabs.
Chip.
Well, yeah, that's a tough one. We gotta get a change. Those guys gotta get off. You know, for a minute and 30 seconds. Come on, Ricky. Jesus. Gotta get off the ice. Oh, come on!
It's 5-on-3.
Set up for two minute shifts so far.
Yeah. Come on! Oh, guys.
good chance, good save.
Over here. Use your partner.
Gravel's in front of the net. Shoot it. Keep it down, guys. You gotta keep it down.
Yeah, there's a guy in front
If
for
you go to
sure.
the other side when he's open.
Oh, this guy's good, eh?
They gotta bring it back and
Give it back.
use it.
He was on for the entire penalty, and now he's still out there.
Yeah, so he's going on.
Yeah, fuck. Absolutely. I didn't see Dawson come back. Hope he's not hurt.
That's who went down over here was Dawson?
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, jeez. I thought that was going to get through.
How are you? Good, thanks.
Little wall set.
Holy Jesus Christ. Tell me that's what it's called?
Oh,
Ridiculous.
Get
I'm
That
sorry.
guy, that referee has had a beef with John since the start of the season. Yep, 100%.
There you go. I like when they set up and they're all like that. Now
Yeah.
you can control it.
No wonder everybody's so pissed off.
This is the referee chief for anyone. It's no longer super.
Oh, come on, guys, come on. It was a great game. We actually decided to play. Come on, guys. Mikey, get up.
Yeah, the morning game. Sometimes they got up by the 7th floor.
Yeah,
So the kids just kind of gave up.
deflated, yeah.
They're not all
Next year we're gonna
Yeah. Come on, guys. Oh no, we got one.
I've noticed if Dawson's come back on.
I haven't seen him.
He's 10, right?
Yeah. That's it, boys. Oh, come on. Fuck.
Oh, and the deer are doing the right thing. They're keeping. I really wasn't expecting the shot. Because that went through his.
Look, there's a cross check right there.
Another cross check.
Jesus Christ. Good pitch. They know that we got less kids, and they will run our kids today. I'm telling you right now. It's exactly what's happening.
Go ahead and have a chat with that ref and
Oh! Another one. This guy's an idiot. Oh!
I crunch every time I see him cross. Yeah.
Telling you right now, they're doing it on purpose.
See those kids cross over like that with their heads. I'm thinking next year they better. Oh, they're in big trouble.
Yeah, learn to take your head and put it.
Shouldn't that be icy?
Oh, he played it with his stick, with his skate.
Didn't touch it.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, did he? Oh, I thought he missed it.
Marietti,
Good block.
Marietti
Did he?
just got a bit of his blade.
Come on. Come on, Johnny.
No one went down first.
Oh, I can't let him get behind you guys.
And I had to put his stuff in the bag. Up downstairs, breakfast.
It's another problem is our wingers are never on the boards.
I didn't know it was gonna rain during the night. I would have put my windshield cover.
Outside in front.
Yeah. I did that. I made myself a hole and then windshield washer and then scrape it in. Huh? No, it's not so thick.
Don't hit them.
What's the goal? They're hitting the follow the puck. Like half the time he's not following the puck. He's blocking.
Who's the goalie coach? Oops.
We don't have one right now.
Don't tell me.
No, he's not even. No.
And Gino's a good guy.
Yeah.
It was different dates I was making.
Or just played.
Oh, he's got two plans.
No, they're in Sudbury.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
She wasn't too sure. She thinks it's a semi-final.
No, it wouldn't be yet. They wouldn't be in the playoffs. I don't think so. Anyways.
Oh, it's a tournament.
Oh, is it? Okay. Good keeping, David. Good job.
She's got really good game management. She played in the NWHL for a while.
Oh, really? Come on. Pressure, guys.
Escapes me. I'll remember it probably on Friday.
Yeah. We'll get an even up call here in a second.
They're not trying to get away with the puck. They're trying to get rid of it.
They're going to call an even up call, guaranteed. This guy's all about. Get him. Try to skip through the whole thing. Same fucking kid. Come on. Oh, guys. You know what though?
Right down.
That's it, Johnny. Give Davis a bit of rest in the box here.
No, off white noise.
He's just falling back on his own.
I know.
No.
Oh, toss.
Oh,
Give yourself up early, John.
Oh, nice, Mikey.
Go down if you're hurt. Buddy.
Really? Go down!
Block that shot. You got it right here.
Yeah.
No protection. Get it back there.
Well, they fought that one out. That's good.
Yeah, they killed her off.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, we got one?
Yeah.
Gravel. Much dude on the face out there. Easy. Fix the guy or do something.
Do what?
No, Newton. Oh, no. Come on. Just dump it down. Dump it. Don't wait so long. That's it, buddy.
I'm gonna say that the first game was the same way, and they passed the slot to our guy to dump it, and he decides he's going to
dust
one of
it?
these. They lifted the stick, blew, scored for nothing, and then they just went down the hill after that.
Yeah.
Oh, what is it? Kids nowadays, they all want to dust that puck. So
Yeah.
just. Yeah, it's not the right time to rush.
No. Just get rid of it. Come on. What are you doing? Why just rifle it around the board, not cut in like that? That's it, Ted. Get him out of the front of the net. Get him out of the front of the net. Atta boy, Mikey. Come on, Davis. Get rid of it. Oh, right in the back of the skate. Come on. Come on, Mikey.
Go hard.
Hold on to it. Come on. This one was blown. Should have been shut down. Come on, John, get rid of it. Atta boy.
Good job. Watch the middle, watch the middle. Killed another one off. Now they can build some momentum off these kills.
You mark my words. We're going to run one of our kids again. Because they know. We don't have a lot of kids. The defense got to get off. They've been on too long. Oh. Come on, Davis. At the net. Oh. Sure it was.
It doesn't, they just don't just drop
No.
spontaneously.
Exactly.
Probably not a bad idea. Really strong and weak and strong.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, McGill's tough in front of the net. Come on, guys. Oh, that's it. Good job, McGill. Oh. I guess body contact's allowed.
Nice.
Go, 12-1.
Come on. Hit the net. Come on, Mikey. Make sure.
I'm so frustrated with that side.
Come on, Michelle. Get on. Oh, come on, guys. You get on there and look like 60. Look like they're 60. Hey, boy, Johnny. He's offside a mile. I keep seeing it. I've never.
I see it on Facebook.
Yeah, me too. But I didn't know it was an actual site. Apparently it is.
It's just a knockoff.
No, it's probably. Good revert.
Back there when your guys were doing top from here, so.
Oh. Come on, get out, get out.
Good on that deflection.
Come on. Oh, nice. Gotta finish. Stop trying to stick handle in our zone.
Just deep.
Oh, yeah. You're at the blue like that?
Stick.
That's the same thing that happened yesterday.
That's interference. Nice. They got him. I think the D are actually, it's almost like watching a car accident happen. They're kind of standing there frozen going, what's going on here? Like, right? They don't know what's going to go.
Never thought of that.
What am I watching?
Okay, where's the winger? Like, come on, Davis.
There's your pass.
Attaboy, Davis. Yeah. Come on, guys. Gave it away. Good movement, guys.
That's it like you mean it. The guy misses it, so what? You flip it.
Gotta win those battles, guys. Gotta win those battles.
Straight up, straight up, straight up.
Go the other way.
Go.
Walk.
Just giving the puck away.
Off the line, off the line.
Davis has got to move in. Come on! Oh. Come on, guys. Let's get her done. Oh. Keep it in, Davis. Oh, come on! Yes! Yes!
Even strength, too.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh my God, why did he back on me? Why did he back on again? They just...
He couldn't get him off in time.
Oh,
His arm was down. He couldn't really let him make the change. Gotta get him off now.
yeah, absolutely. They just played 2 minutes.
Waited too long.
Just didn't get him off in time for the
Yeah.
attention.
Zach couldn't get off either.
And then coaching to switch sides.
Come on, guys. Oh no! Johnny!
Guys moving in there, you can't do that.
Attaboy, Mikey. Hold on to it. Let's get rid of it. That's it.
In the AHL.
Yeah. Didn't the guy fire the puck? It wasn't even anywhere near the net.
Good from Johnny.
Johnny, you see what he's doing? He's standing to the side here.
Looking at the puck.
Come on, Turs. That's it, Adam.
Too many balls. There you go.
Oh, you can't commit like that. Good block.
But it didn't kick straight out.
Yeah, no kidding, yeah. Come on, guys.
Box out, box out.
That's dangerous.
That is very good. Oh. Come on, go. Atta boy.
Behind you, Jerry. Guys on the blue.
Come on.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
try to do a stretch pass for breakout, eh?
Yeah. Icing. Oh my God. So much interference is ridiculous. It's a dance. Come on. Not a boy. That's perfect. Go, guys, go. It's a good pinch. Come on. Oh, guys, we gotta hit the net.
Yeah, at least get it low for a rebound.
Oh, that's our biggest problem. Everybody shoots it over the net.
It's up high like that.
Yeah.
Get it in his pads, there'll be a rebound.
Yeah. Tell you, man, give our kids credit. They're not losing their cool considering they're going through the hits. Oh, Johnny, come on.
Oh, should have had it coming off the board.
Yeah.
I mean, he wasn't even ready to get.
No.
He had to know it was going to come off the board.
Yeah. Oh, there's Dawson back. That's good.
Yeah, they were icing his arm
Yeah.
there in between shifts.
Come on, Daw.
So I saw his,
Oh, that's a nice shot. Come on, dude. Oh, puck with a weird bounce, eh? Oh no, you can't do that. Our zone. Come on!
Guy,
Can't do that. in our
3
zone.
years have had the puck. Now do something.
That's it, Dave. Good. Good punching there.
The guy
Our guys are gonna get frustrated here. Hey?
yeah, he just put his stick down, push him out.
Yeah.
make an effort to get it.
That's what burnt them in this morning school. Get a goal like that. Came back off the boards.
Did they get one? They need to score one right now.
What's that on the ice?
I don't know. Oh!
It's like somebody's chalk.
Gotta win this face-off, George. Oh, come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We need this bad.
Now you got one on the other side.
Oh, no, Zach! Oh, God. Oh!
He still wasn't ready for that. You had to know it was going to come out for.
That was a set play.
Well, here we go. You gotta win this period.
Yeah. One period, boys. It's gotta be better than that. Oh, come on, Stevie.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Cover form is indeed.
Yeah, it was back and forth.
See, the look at that. Oh.
you see that your G going by you, your goal is to go back.
Yeah,
That's your goal. That's
you know, like
responsibility.
Caller had to do something to say cover because, and he does do it quite often, so that it's not like it's a surprise.
Come on, hit the net. Oh, we gotta shoot down on this guy. I'm trying to tell these guys. Jesus. Everybody wants to go top cheese, eh?
Oh, it looks good, eh?
What a glorious opportunity.
Always looks better when you score up high.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, yeah, it's fun. I think I'm supposed to. Yeah.
Oh, you can't.
Yeah, he was trying to.
Total giveaway. Oh, Jesus. That got by him, eh?
He's coming in. Don't.
Yeah. That actually
Oh. Guys, you gotta get it out.
The AP knows I was going to get a run there or something.
yeah. No investment. Yeah. Don't.
Turn around.
No.
How do you go there?
Going where everybody is. That's where he's going.
Come on, turns. Skate, Jesse.
Kick it though.
Come on, Dave. Shit. Interference.
That's how you box out.
Yeah.
Nice read.
Come on. Oh. Come on, Davis. Keep it on the net. Oh. Nice try, guys.
Holes that
Yeah.
never should have happened.
Oh my God. What a bounce that was.
Yeah.
Right there.
That went straight that way.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Up
hit
there.
the
Right on
pitch
that
right there.
edge.
Yeah.
That edge.
That was a
Oh.
That was a nice body check.
hit. Yeah. Very nice. Yes. Exactly.
Perfect hit.
Can't be in the docks against these guys. Come on.
Come on.
Where's the winger?
Head possession. Nobody on you. And just give it away.
Get sticks in the passing lane, boys.
That's it.
Yeah, just late in the game, he's gonna find that.
Davis, behind you. The coaches should be telling him there's a guy behind him. Just keep him deep. Keep him. Oh!
He's almost backfired. There. Come on, keep the legs going, guys.
Come on, Davis. Box him out.
In there.
Nice.
Yep.
I've been thinking this.
Atta boy. Good effort. That's what you want to see. He does this every time. He comes out, starts with one end, and he walks through our whole team.
Nice skier. Be confident to puck on his stick.
He's the kid that played on the team last year.
Did he?
Yeah.
He
Thought there was going to be another penalty.
should have
I thought so.
been.
Should have been. Holy Christ.
He put it down pretty
Pretty well guzzles him.
Get out.
Come on, get somebody.
Come on, get on there, guys. Oh, what a chance.
Dump it.
Oh no, there we go.
Come on, Jesse.
That hurt. That hurt. It's got to drop.
Interference.
That way, referee technical.
What a game. Come on, get on him. Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's Johnny's name. Yeah. She called me this morning and said that they
Oh,
were out by 1 point. So if they'd have kept winning, they would have been playing at freaking 9 or 9:30 at night.
yeah.
What a
There's no way those kids are going to school the next day.
no,
If they are, they're not learning.
not doing nothing.
Oh, there's a penalty.
Yeah. With John being, Big John being away for a couple of days, and
Get on it, guys. Keep it intact.
Junior state your place last night.
Nope. No, actually,
guys,
Don's taking care of it.
Oh, okay.
move it.
He's stay at home.
Eh?
He's able to stay home.
Yeah. Come on, guys. Holding on to it too
Keep
long.
going to get it. Don't cruise the last 2 steps.
Oh. Oh, come on.
There you go.
Killed us last time too, short-handed goals.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah, those are the worst.
Yeah. Come on. Guys, like, when are we going to learn we've got to keep the puck down? Oh, this goalie's right on the money. Oh, no.
Look and see, smells good.
Yep.
Hard back.
Get your legs going.
Isn't that bot one of their big guys might score on something like that.
Come on, get in there. Oh! This goalie is right on the money.
That was perfect. Low shot, deflection.
Yeah.
Yeah, reflect it.
Oh! What was that? I didn't even see it.
It was a trip.
Was it? Yeah.
Do you think he might have thought he embellished it?
Yeah,
Maybe.
it did kind of look like he. I didn't see a splash of it.
Yeah, kiss that. Yeah. I'm just wondering if the legs coming up did that.
Well, you guys got to make sure you have some APs on your bench then. You can't go through the house with a short
We don't have
bench.
it. Yeah, I know. The problem is that there's nobody available.
They'll be all playoffs
Yeah, it's
too.
nice. The whole ball game, isn't it?
Whole week.
But I
Yeah.
mean, like, it doesn't qualify.
Yeah, no, it doesn't. No.
It's almost like a new season.
I think you actually get money from the OHFs too to go to it.
Yep.
So the parents aren't. It's not like a new budget item.
No. No, don't turn back, guys.
Keep going.
Very good.
Others on this. Two guys on the
It's not good if
Two
you're not
guys.
gonna
Two guys.
They're real
chase it.
too.
Tide's sticking. Just touch it. Okay, now we have to set up there. Guys. Come on. Oh. Just get it in. Come on, grabs.
Don't get it. You're cruising and he's coming. Gee.
Can't touch that stick, can you?
Jeez.
Come on.
The time they had to give away.
Get out! Oh my God. Come on. Oh, you gotta go for that.
Good skating.
Quick skating. Stop skating. Come on, Davis.
Too late. Oh.
It was rolling on him.
Inside.
Johnny, don't do that. Johnny!
Does it and then so the top of his
Yeah.
body's kind of all
Yep.
tensed up because he's gripping the stick and everything, like, and he can't get his body to go and
No.
do that.
Come on, Davis. Don't just let him walk out, guys. Good stick.
I wouldn't be trying to score if I was there. I'd be killing it.
Use the clock.
Oh, you gotta get it out. Oh.
That's gonna hurt. Side of the leg.
Took one for the team there.
Yeah, that wouldn't hurt.
Yeah, that's good. That's a stunner for sure.
Come on, Davis. Go, go!
He's got a good heavy shot.
Davis? Oh. And it's quick, right? It's got a quick release.
Yeah. Snapped it pretty good.
He can shoot. He can shoot.
Was it not on net?
Just doesn't shoot enough.
Let's get that from his mom.
Probably. Yeah. Minute 32 left. North Grade down, one man.
They want to have an aggressive box here. Attack everywhere.
Yeah.
They need to get the puck.
Yeah. The problem is even a tie doesn't do us any good anyway.
There it is.
They're all even now, boys.
Yeah. I actually think about pulling the goalie here. Just gotta get it deep.
And you
Going down, need four. Going
definitely
down.
want to do your 4-1 press now.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that?
Giveaway.
Complete control.
Yeah.
Nice save.
No, I don't think there's no
I thought
timeouts
AAA we
left.
were allowed one.
I don't think so.
That seems very.
Yeah, I'm
low
almost
end.
positive you can't.
So you have to have high performance coaching.
Yeah.
Coach it, but you can't.
Yeah.
Which usually are the guys that know when to use timeouts.
Yeah. That's where
I
you
thought
sit. You
the
sit on the
AAA,
goalie.
I guess it was Pee Wee, but I thought.
No, I'm pretty sure there's no timeouts.
There it goes.
Come on.
So right over. It's right over too.
Oh, keep it in. Oh, that was close. push it through. Just push it through. Great game, I mean, compared to the first
Put in
one.
a second and a half back on the clock.
Oh yeah.
I thought I was being picky.
Get it in deep.
Your
Somebody
wife will
else,
say
somebody
that.
else.
That's it, come on. Is that Davis? What happened?
Sore neck there, the guy gave him the gloves to the head. Kind of wraps his neck. Tough one.
Yeah.
Tough weekend.
Don't break your stick. And that's it, folks. See you in the playoffs.